at Butlins Skegness to check out the Comfort Apartments. And we've made it to have Butlins Skegness.
Yay!
It was a bit of a drive from Stoke, wasn't it?
It was a little bit.
Not too bad though.
No, it was quite easy.
Yeah, not too bad at all. But we've made it here and we are staying in the Comfort Apartments this week.
Yes, we are, and we're in the fairground bit.
We are in the fairground area. So I think this is our building just here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fairground Apartments. Do you want to go take us up? Show us what it's like?
Come on then.
Let's go. Staying in 246.
Yes, that's correct.
246, right, so it should be
Just here.
just here.
Hello.
Hello. So, Heather, you're going to give us the full guided tour of the Comfort Apartments at Butlins Skegness.
So we're in Skegness this time, yeah.
Right, so without further ado,
So we are on the top floor, which is pretty cool.
yeah, it's a bit cool, isn't it? I mean, on the top floor.
Yeah, and we are in the fairground apartments.
We are, yes. So this was one of the blue coloured buildings.
Yes, one of the blue ones. Right next to the car park as well, which is really good.
Yeah.
And then just over there is the fairground, which is
Yeah.
really good for us.
We're really close to things, aren't we, to be fair?
Yeah. So this is 2 bedrooms. There is only 2 of us, but we will show you the little room. So there is 2 single beds in here.
Ta-da! So there you go.
It is pretty big.
It's pretty spacious, isn't it?
Yeah. There's plenty of bits and pieces to put, like hang your clothes and stuff like that.
A wardrobe thing. I mean, there's definitely enough room in here for either 2 kids, 2 adults, whatever you wanted to do.
Yeah.
I like that. It's from the carousel, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. The thing with this Butlins, what I've noticed is they've got so many like fun fairy sort of artworks and stuff. They've got like funny mirrors everywhere and I love it.
Yeah, it's like it fun fair themed.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It's really cool, isn't it?
But no, it's a nice, lovely, bright room in here, isn't it?
Yeah, perfect for the little ones. We've got
Perfect.
little ones with you. The next room is the bathroom.
I mean, it's the bathroom. It does what it says on the tin. It's quite cool. You got these little things. These are the themings you've been on about there, wasn't it?
Yeah, cute.
Stuff like that.
The shower's
there.
really, really good and powerful, to be fair.
Excuse our bath towel there. We just had a bit of a shower.
So if you're staying in one of the comfort rooms or apartments, you don't get towels. So it's a good idea just to bring your own towels, or you can hire them or add them onto your stay if you want to. I think it's £8 per towel, but you do get that back afterwards. It's a deposit.
Yeah, we made the mistake of no towels once, didn't we? Mine had.
Yeah, we did.
So never again. Never again.
No, full length mirror, which that is just the best.
Hey.
It's really frustrating when you stay somewhere and they haven't got a full length mirror because everyone wants to just check what they look like before they go out.
Well, go and check your outfits, aren't you?
Yeah.
And on to the bedroom, the main bedroom.
Yes, this is the main bedroom. So lovely big double bed. It is actually surprisingly really, really comfortable.
It really is, to be fair, isn't it?
Yeah.
You brought a spare pillow just in case, but these are
did.
pretty good, aren't they, to be fair? Not too bad at all. You get your iron, your tally, obviously your wardrobe area, your ironing board, little dresser area.
I do like this bit as well because you can put the light on so you can
Ooh.
actually see a little bit better when you're getting ready, which
That's
is pretty
really
cool.
handy, isn't it?
Yeah.
There? And as you can see, with any kind of UK holiday, good thing is you can bring what you want. So we've brought quite a lot of stuff, haven't we?
Yeah, we've bought all our home comforts. They even bought my dressing gown.
Even brought the dressing gown, just in case. But at the end of the day, it's been quite nippy at night, hasn't it?
It has, so it's been nice having that.
It really has. Right, shall we go on to the main event now?
Oh yeah, this is the kitchen and the living area.
Ooh.
So you do get like a full kitchen, which is brilliant. So you do get an oven, kettle, microwave, toaster, all your bits and pieces as well. So bowls, cups, glasses, everything that you could need.
I think cutlery's in that one.
It is indeed. They do actually give you a sponge and a little washing up liquid and one tea towel. The only thing that I would suggest is what we did. We did bring 2 extra tea towels because there's no oven mitt.
Yes, and that's a little bit thin, that one, isn't it?
So maybe you won't bring a little oven mitt or just a couple of extra tea towels.
Or maybe you're fine with it and you're used to using tea towels.
Yeah.
It's completely up to you, but at least you're going to know about it.
Oh, and one thing that I've just thought of is make sure you bring your own toilet rolls as well. Because
Yes.
if you're in the comfort room, you don't get housekeeping. So yeah, they give you 2 toilet rolls to begin with, but for a week you probably need a few.
Probably going to need a few extra ones, especially if you've got the kids with you as well.
Yeah, you do get fridge and freezer,
Yeah.
so that's really, really good.
You do get the odd little bit of tea and coffee facilities there. The honey doesn't come with the room.
No.
That's just our top tip instead of sugar.
Yeah, and there is an Asda just over a mile down the road, Aldi, sorry. So if you do need anything, you can always pop there.
Yeah, and I think there's a spa near Fantasy Island as well. It looked pretty big.
Yeah,
so there's plenty. There is a couple of shops on site as well.
Yeah, a little Nisa.
So it's going to be a little bit more inflated than those ones there compared to your Aldi's and things. But you know what? If you're on site and you just need to grab some tea bags,
yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
No, it's really good to be fair.
Yeah, we've got a lovely little seating area here.
Yeah, which is good, so you can just chill out in bits and pieces. I love that because the Helter Skelters is what I can always remember as a kid coming to Butlins in mine head. That's what I always remember is that.
It's the classic, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's obviously we've got our Alton Towers cards here, newly acquired.
Yeah. Love them.
I love that, they're so good, aren't they?
So this is another mirror that you get, but it's not as flattering as the other one.
No, it's not. Oh.
Oh, I've got 3 heads at the moment.
It is fun though, and I bet the kids will have a laugh playing with that, won't they, to be fair, do silly dances and things.
Definitely.
You can only imagine the TikToks that are made in this video and in this mirror, can't you?
You get a really
lovely seating area. Yeah, it is a really comfy sofa actually, isn't it?
You got TV, it does have the Freeview channels, which is really good.
It does also have the odd little port here, so if you want a HDMI, USB, VGA, I don't know if anyone's still using a VGA, but it's there if you've got it.
And one thing I've noticed, there's loads and loads of plugs everywhere.
Yeah, absolutely loads of
So
plugs.
you
Let's
don't
put a
run out
couple
of
down there, there's some over there, 2 either side of the bed
Yeah.
for your charging.
Yes.
And we get this lovely little mini balcony.
Yeah, because we're on the top floor.
Yeah, we have the dock here, guys.
But
Oh, we're out, there we go.
it's a lovely little view, isn't it?
It's a brilliant little view, isn't it? Nice and pretty, isn't it there?
Yeah, it is. So we actually paid £69 for this room from Monday to Friday, which is an absolute bargain. You can't fault that. You can add things on. So we did actually add on, and I'll just show you the little piece of paper. We added on the action passes. So that means that you can do activities. But if you want to find out more about those, please check out our other video.
And with most Butlins stays, you do have the opportunity to be able to book your next stay for a discount.
Yes, you do. You get 40% off when you book your next stay. You do actually get that, and they give you some discounts a couple of weeks after you stay as well, so keep an eye on your emails if you don't book. But they're the resort prices for next year for the same week that we've come. So it does show you that you do save quite a lot.
Yeah, you definitely do get quite a lot of money off. So obviously you do get that 40%, but I believe, we will try and find the sign, but there is a booking office around the resort.
There
if
is.
you go to there directly, you get an additional 5%.
I believe so, yeah.
So you know, 45% is almost half price.
It is.
Not bad at all, is it though?
We hope you've enjoyed our tour of the Comfort Apartments here at Butlins in Skegness.
They're absolutely brilliant. They are really comfortable, aren't they?
Yeah, it's been an absolute bargain, and I've really enjoyed it. I wasn't sure if the midweek would just be for families, but it's not. We've seen lots of couples without children. There's plenty of adult activities to do as well.
And it's not too noisy, it's not too rowdy, it's not too loud between the things. We've not really heard our neighbours or anything, have we?
No.
Don't even know if we got any, to be honest.
No, normally.
But we've really enjoyed our stay, and we're probably definitely going to come back again, aren't we?
Oh, 100%, we'll be back.
Absolutely loved it. And for £69, bargain. But if you've liked this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. Whoop, whoop.